you might be asking yourself, what kind of new tech needs one of these? Well, it's not really tech, it's just something I wanted. I'm going kind of quarantine crazy, so I got myself one of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of the car and into the backyard, and we're gonna see how this is assembled and season it and do first cook. Catch you later. Alright guys, got this unloaded out of the car and onto the back patio. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and put it together, and I'll catch up with you once I get it all together and fire it up. guys, so I just finished assembling the 36-inch Blackstone Griddle from Walmart. One of the reasons I chose this over the Camp Chef and over the Char Griller Griddle, they're all about the same $300 price range, but the Blackstone 36-inch griddle came with this nice Blackstone cover. Alone, this is like right around $80 or $90 for some other brands, so that was one of the selling points for me. Also, having a large grease trap in the rear of the grill surface was another big selling point for me. Also, this has folding side shelves, so it is portable, despite what some other people have said. So I'm excited about that. Has eight hooks on here, 4 on each side, for all your griddle tool needs. It also has a magnetic front right here, so you can just go ahead and slap your tools on here if they are steel. The surface looks very nice, no rust. It is kind of lightly pre-coated with some oil that will have to burn off. Has a electric ignition, 4 burners. I chose a 4-burner model 36-inch griddle over the 28-inch griddle because that gives me 4 zones of heat, so I could have a warm area over here to hold food warm and work my way all the way up to the hot zone for like searing and whatnot. Also, you could do hibachi grilling when you have 4 zones versus 2 zones because you could have a hot middle and cooler sides. That's one of the main reasons why I chose this. Also, this has a nice paper towel holder right here, which will make it nice to have everything at your fingertips. Blackstone also offers a cutting board trash can attachment for right here. I think that's one thing that I'd like to get in the future. But overall, the build quality seems pretty high up there. There were a few screws that seemed like they were a little bit poor quality and a few holes that had some powder coating inside of them, which caused me to strip the Phillips head on a few of them. But the screws got in there, they're holding tight. I don't think they'll ever be a problem. They have a little bit of Loctite on them. Overall, the build took me about maybe 10 to 20 minutes with going and grabbing tools and trying to find a AA battery for the electric igniter. But yeah, I'd highly recommend this. It's probably the best $300 bang for your buck you can choose. The Char Griller had the front drain right here in the middle. I did like that because it would keep the grease away from kids and from people knocking it over. But with this one, with the rear grease trap and the cover on here, I shouldn't have to worry about kids knocking into it, and it should hold everything back there and be safe and secure and not having to worry about knocking it off like some of the ones that have the grease traps with the rail across the front and it drains to the side. I don't want to worry about that. So $300 Walmart with a stainless steel cover that's powder coated black. I don't know if it's stainless steel, but you get it. I'd recommend this from Walmart if you're in the grill market. And I'm gonna make another video series along with this griddle. I'm gonna go ahead and do a seasoning and first cook, and then after that I might try to do a recipe a week. So please like and subscribe this video, and keep an eye out for more griddle series. And thanks, guys.